How to find contacts on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. I am here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how you can find contact on Twitter. So let's get started. Firstly, open your X application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Again, click on the settings and support and tap on settings and privacy option. With that, you will be directed to the account settings of your account. Click on privacy and safety option. Now here you can see different options, from which click on the discoverability and contacts. Now finally, toggle on the switch next to the sync address book contacts option. Now after that, come back to the home page and click on your profile at the top left corner. Again, click on profile option and you will be directed to the profile of your account. Now click on the following option and tap on the icon at the top right corner. Click on get started option and now here you will see all of your contacts on your screen. So that's it. In this easy and simple way you can find contacts on Twitter. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.